went to the high street in Stourbridge today. Went to the traditional fishmongers, and in the shop he had in the window display for fresh roe. So that's what I bought. Because they look odd, nothing like you get in the fish shop. But anyway, he told me what to do. He said wrap it in greaseproof paper, pop it into boiling water and let it cook for 20 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do to get my recipe started. So there it is, all knotted up. I'm going to pop it into the boiling water and put the lid on it. Let that simmer for 20 minutes, and when it's gone white, I'm told it's cooked. So 20 minutes later, set the timer on my phone. It's done. It smells lovely. It smells like roe. That's a good job, isn't it? Because it is roe. I'm going to cut the string. Now this is the point where it needs to cool. You could eat it as it is, hot or cold, with salt and pepper on. But I'm going to do something quite different with it later after it's cooled off. I'm going to put some egg white on it and some breadcrumbs, and I'm going to bake it in the oven. I'm not doing a very good job of that, am I? There's water everywhere, look. But there it is, it's white as he said it would be. And yeah, just going to let that cool off now on a plate. And then I'm going to crumb it, slice it up and cover it in crumbs later and recook it. Okay, so you can see it's cooled down. Just going to cut it down the middle. There you go, you can start, already start to look like roe. And I'm going to cut it into, I don't know, what should I do it in? Halves. I've got 4 portions. Ooh, hang on, I need to put the camera down, 1 second. I do need an assistant, this is ridiculous. Okay, try and get it again. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to put that in some egg, whisked up egg with some salt. Let that just marinate there a little bit and wipe egg off my fingers. And as you can see here, I've got crumbs. Now this is just 1 warburtons thin. It's a stale one, and I've whizzed it up. Here I've got, what have I got there? Oh yeah, that's a vegetable oxo cube. That half a teaspoon turmeric and a teaspoon of colmans mustard powder. Just going to mix those together. So as you can see, it's a lovely colour. I kind of fool myself a little bit that it's batter from the chip shop. In the Midlands, kind of fresh roe is quite a normal thing to order. Anywhere else I've lived, like south of England, I found it very hard to get. So now I'm back in the Midlands, this is a real nice treat for me. But I'm having to make my own because I'm away where should go. So that's in, and I'm just going to just move it around in the crumbs a little bit and sprinkle it on. That's alright, isn't it? I'm quite pleased with it. I'm all over the place with the camera tonight, so sorry everybody. Yeah, it's not so easy on your own. When I first started making videos, my husband worked from home often, and he was able to help me, but now he doesn't work from home. I'm on my own, son. You feel sorry for me. Now, you could dip that in the egg again if you wanted to make it even more crumbly. But I'm not going to, that's enough for me. So I'm going to pop that in there, and I'm going to make one for my husband to try. He did promise he would try it. Then I've just used fry light for the bottom, so I'm going to continue to do that. Now don't forget the roe is cooked, so it's just going to probably be about 15 minutes in a hot oven to brown off and warm up. So there you go. I've made quite a lot really. I'm going to have at least 2-3 pieces of that, and my husband will have a couple to try. And I've still got enough there from 1 or 2 meals, depending on how hungry I am in the week. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, and if I can find room in the freezer, I'll freeze it. But if not, I'll eat it tomorrow. So here it is. It's going in the oven now, and fingers crossed it comes out okay. Wow. Wow is all I can say. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Now I know roe, fresh roe is you know, it's not everyone's choice, but I'll tell you something. I feel as though I'm in for a magnificent treat. Now that a fresh piece I bought was £6.40. It's a lot of money. And so if I've split it and there's another portion for another day, it works out about £1 a person if you get 6 portions out of it, or maybe £2 if you make it a bit less. So just going to get the bits I want. I mean, just look at that, lovely. And I'll grab the big one to go with it, and the little one. So I'm gonna have 3 pieces. I'm gonna leave those to my husband to try because he's not that keen, but I am. Excuse me. So I've got garden peas, some carrots and butternut squash wedges cooked in garlic and pepper, and that's it. Absolutely scrummy, and it's time to go and tuck in. I'm just so excited. The crumbs taste amazing. Quite cheesy, but there's no cheese in it. It's astonishing. So there's the fresh roe. I've just tried a bit, and I tell you, it is just absolutely fantastic. I'm thrilled to bits. All 0 on no count. So that's an absolute bargain, isn't it? The warburtons thin 0, the oxo 0. I used the vegetable oxo cube. The flavouring was 0, and the rose 0. Wow, absolutely awesome treat.